Hello everyone, in this video we are going to study other strands of freedom movement in Bihar. When freedom movement in Bihar was going on, there were other things also happening, important things. Those things are covered in this video. So first is peasant movement, then women's role, then creation of modern Bihar, and then role of press. Okay, so first very important peasant movement, as we have earlier studied कि Champaran Satyagraha was also peasant movement, but we have read Champaran Satyagraha extensively. That's why we are starting from other. After that, in Munger, a Kisan Sabha was formed in 1922. Remember this year, important for prelims. Okay, Kisan Sabha was formed by Sri Krishna Sinha, बिहार केसरी श्री कृष्ण सिन्हा and Muhammad Jubair. Sri Krishna Sinha was against zamindari system and always in the support of peasants. Always remember, Sri Krishna Sinha was against zamindari system. He created Kisan Sabha. After that, the most famous name of peasant movement of whole India came. No story of peasant movement can be completed without this saint, monk, nationalist leader Swami Sahajanand Saraswati. Swami Sahajanand Saraswati is the most famous name. Swami Sahajanand Saraswati created Bihar Provincial Kisan Sabha 1929, born in UP but made Bihar his workplace. Okay, Swami Sahajanand Saraswati created Bihar Provincial Kisan Sabha. Bihar Province Kisan Sabha. First a simple Kisan Sabha in Munger. Then for whole Bihar province there was Bihar Provincial Kisan Sabha in 1928 under by Swami Sahajanand Saraswati. Then All India Kisan Sabha 1936 Lucknow. Lucknow session, Congress Lucknow session 1936. After the end of that All India Kisan Sabha was formed. That Lucknow session president was Jawaharlal Nehru. All India Kisan Sabha 1936 formed, and who can be a better president other than Swami Sahajanand Saraswati? He was the face, he was the leader, and obviously he became the first president of All India Kisan Sabha, Swami Sahajanand Saraswati. And secretary was Andhra Pradesh peasant leader NG Ranga. Also Nambudurai, who later became the Kerala chief minister, first non-Congress chief minister from CPIM party. He was also related to this organization, All India Kisan Sabha. Remember these names. Swami Sahajanand Saraswati became president and secretary was NG Ranga, and Nambudurai from Kerala was also associated with All India Kisan Sabha. And this whole story started with Sri Krishna Sinha by establishing Kisan Sabha. And after Government of India Act 1935, election happened, and in Bihar, Chief Minister Sri Krishna Sinha became the Chief Minister, and he brought Bihar Tenancy Reforms Act. And due to the sustained effort of Swami Sahajanand Saraswati, Bihar Tenancy Reforms Act 1937 was brought, giving rights to the Rayats, giving rights to the tenants, and it was precursor of Bengal Tenancy Act 1885. So you can see कि Sri Krishna Sinha first created Kisan Sabha, and when he became Chief Minister, so he brought Bihar Tenancy Reforms Act. And when he became Chief Minister in independent India, so Bihar became the first state to abolish zamindari system under Bihar Kesari Sri Krishna Sinha. Okay, so all these movements, all these year, all these persons names are very important. Then to support all these movements, a magazine, Hindi weekly magazine Hunkar was published by famous writer, famous travel writer Rahul Sankrityayan and Pandit Yamuna Karji under the tutelage of Swami Sahajanand Saraswati. Both of them were inspired by the work of Swami Sahajanand Saraswati, and both were writer. So what they did, what writer do? They create magazine, they write novel. They created Hunkar magazine, which talked about peasant movement, talked about peasants. Hunkar magazine. Okay, and brief knowledge about Rahul Sankrityayan. He was Azamgarh born. Arya Samaji turned Buddhist, polymath, polyglot. He knew about too many subjects. He knew too many language. who made Saran his base, fondly called father of Indian travelogue. He wrote extensively about his travels. He was a true yayavar, and the most famous book of him was is Volga to Ganga, written by Rahul Sankrityayan. Okay, and also Congress under Rajendra Prasad, a committee was set up to study condition of farmer. This concludes the story of peasant movement. Sri Krishna Sinha, Sahajanand Saraswati, Rahul Sankrityayan. Remember these years, remember these names. Then women's role, Prabhavati Devi. Prabhavati Devi is the face of women's role in Bihar freedom movement. She was the daughter of the gentle Bihari, Braj Kishore Prasad. Okay, Braj Kishore Prasad, the gentle Bihari. Braj Kishore Prasad created an example for everyone. She gave the example by his daughter Prabhavati Devi. Okay, she read, she studied and later she became the wife of Lok Nayak. First father supported the education, later the husband supported his. Whatever you want to do, you can do. While Lok Nayak Jayaprakash Narayan went to foreign for his further studies, Prabhavati Devi stayed at Sabarmati Ashram while husband went for studies, and she became an example for women not for Bihar but for whole India. Okay, she became a friend of Kamala Nehru and confidant of Kasturba Gandhi, and she was very much active in all the movement, Gandhian movement. She was arrested in 1932 during civil disobedience movement in Lucknow. I have written this year especially because I have seen this question in many mock exam. Prabhavati Devi was arrested in which year? During civil disobedience movement. So she was arrested in 1932, and she was the daughter of Braj Kishore Prasad and wife of Lok Nayak Jayaprakash Narayan. Okay, and she was the face of women's role in Bihar. And against well system in Muzaffarpur, Amala Mukherjee created a movement. There is not much information on Google about this great lady. I will try to find more knowledge about her. And wife of Srimati Hasan Imam, Srimati Hasan Imam, participation in Simon Commission movement shows Muslim women participation. The Muslim women were also participating. Okay, Prabhavati Devi, Srimati Hasan Imam, Amala Mukherjee, all great lady. All these lady and most of the Bihar lady took a very active role in freedom movement of Bihar. Okay, they participated in all movement. After the peasant movement and women's role comes the creation of modern Bihar. Bihar was separated from Bengal in 1912. What is the back story? So back story can be only be completed by these names: Sachidanand Sinha and Mahesh Narayan. Sachidanand Sinha, barrister who went to foreign for studies, and he became sad कि nobody knows the name of Bihar. Okay, and he came to India, and it was his mission to make Bihar a separate state, and he was ably supported by writer, editor Mahesh Narayan. Okay, Sachida Babu and Mahesh Narayan had the most important role. Sadly, Mahesh Narayan ji could not see the end of the day, and he died before 1912. Okay, so Mahesh Narayan was an editor. He was the editor of Kayasth Times, which was later converted into Bihar Times, and after that it was converted into Bihari. Okay, so in 1903 it was clear that Bengal was going to divide into East Bengal and West Bengal. It happened in 1905, but it was pretty clear that it is going to happen. So in 1904, before Bengal division, both Sachida Babu and Mahesh Narayan wrote different articles under same topic: the partition of the lower province and alternative proposal. And merging these two topic written by both of these great men, later it was compiled in book Partition of Bengal and Separation of Bihar. Ki separation of Bihar is necessary. That means they were giving the pressure on British government. And due to all these works, Rajendra Prasad, who was a student and he was the leader of Bihari students in Calcutta, he was inspired by this, and he mobilized students in Calcutta for a separate Bihar. And later a Bihar student conference happened in Patna by Rajendra Prasad. in 1900 under Sarfuddin. Okay, Sajda Babu and Mahesh Narayan had the most important role. Rajendra Prasad was inspired by it, and Bihar Student Conference happened, and all these ultimately culminated into a separate Bihar in 1912. Okay, these two were main important name. Other persons were also active. Okay, other person name, but these are most important name. That's why I am writing these names. Okay, in 1912 everybody knows that Bihar was separated from Bengal, and separated Bihar first governor Sir Charles Bailey become the first governor of Bihar. Okay, then on 1st of April 1936 Bihar and Odisha were separated, and latest Jharkhand separated from Bihar on 15th November 2000. So creation of modern Bihar, Sachidanand Sinha and Mahesh Narayan, these are the creator of modern Bihar. Later we will see makers of modern Bihar. So makers of modern Bihar were Desh Ratna Rajendra Prasad, then Bihar Vibhuti Anugrah Narayan Sinha, and Bihar Kesari Sri Krishna Sinha. They were maker of modern Bihar, and creator of modern Bihar is Sachida Babu and Mahesh Narayan. So understand the difference. Creation, first Bihar was created na, then it will be made by Rajendra Prasad and Bihar Kesari and Bihar Vibhuti. Okay, and this is the journey of Bihar. First, due to the effort of Sajda Babu, Mahesh Narayan, all these great freedom fighters, Bihar was separated in 1912. Then 1936 Bihar and Odisha were separated, and then 2000 Jharkhand were separated. Then role of press in Bihar. Bihar has a very colorful press history. So first very important thing is कि in 1972 both Bihar's first Hindi newspaper and English newspaper were published. Editors' name are very important for film's purpose. So Bihar Bandhu editor were Munshi Hasan Ali, and it was founded by two Marathi Brahmins settled in Bihar, Balkrishna Bhatt and Kesav Ram Bhatt. There is not much information about Munshi Hasan Ali. If I will find it, I will share it later. Then Bihar Herald, English newspaper, Bihar first English newspaper, Bihar Herald. Editor of it was Guru Prasad Sen, born in Dhaka. Then got his MA in Calcutta. After that he got his job as deputy collector in Patna, but later he turned nationalist and he became the editor of Bihar Herald, Guru Prasad Sen. He is also supposed to be the East Bengal's first MA person. Okay, Bihar Herald, and he remained editor till his death till 1900. So we have already studied Bihar Times and Bihari, established by Sajda Babu and Mahesh Narayan. Mahesh Narayan was editor. After his death, Sajda Babu took the mantle, and it was closed in 1917. But later that Sajda Babu created another newspaper, Searchlight. First editor was Sayyid Haider Hussain, then Maheshwar Prasad, and for longest time Murli Manohar Prasad became the editor. It has been already asked in prelims exams. Then in 1947 a Hindi newspaper Pradeep was created by Sajda Babu, Hindi counterpart of Searchlight. Then Indian Nation 1930, Darbhanga Maharaja. Okay, so in all these names one very beautiful names comes, Mahesh Narayan. Okay, so Mahesh Narayan, we are going to focus on Mahesh Narayan. Mahesh Narayan is the first Hindi free verse poem writer. Free verse poem are those poems which lacks a consistent rhyme scheme etc. We are just going to read this poem. Hindi's first free verse poem. बिजली की चमक से रोशन हुआ चेहरा, देखा तो पड़ी है ताजों से भरी है, घुंघराले बाल मखमल से दो गाल, तथा नाजुक उसका कुछ था मलाल. Thanks, bye bye and take care.